Now let's do a quick demo to show you Dynamics 365 sales. We'll be a sales representative, Jeff Hayes, and Jeff will walk through the following things. He'll start in the dashboard to view all his sales activity for the day. He'll take a look at his accounts and contacts. Then Jeff will walk through the sales process of creating a new lead, qualifying the lead to an opportunity, moving through the stages of the opportunity from develop to propose, and lastly, closing the opportunity as a win. When Jeff logs into Dynamics 365, he's brought into the sales activity dashboard. He can see key information here. He can see his opportunity pipeline with the funnel chart right here. He can see opportunities by status in a pie chart right in the middle. He can see a bar chart here of the sales leaderboard and identify himself right here. He can see 3 key lists of information or views. You can see open leads, open opportunities, and my activities listed at the bottom. If Jeff wants to look at the key core sales entities, he can do that with the navigation here. He can look at accounts to see the list of accounts he works with. He can look at contacts, all the individuals that he's working with. He can look at leads. And notice that he's got a brand new open lead from George Sutherland for a 3D printer. Let's open that lead and walk that through the sales process. So here we see the lead. I'm in the qualify stage, and if I click and open that up, I can see key information that I captured in the qualify stage, and this is my business process flow. I understand this is a very good lead. I'm going to qualify this lead. So once I click on qualify, if we remember, that closes the lead and creates an opportunity record. So I've created an opportunity and I've moved to the develop stage in my opportunity. If I open this stage in my business process flow, I can capture additional information. I can capture needs. I can capture the solution. I can identify stakeholders. I can identify competitors. If I click next stage, that'll move me to the propose stage. At this point, George and I have agreed on a printer that he's interested in. So I'm going to go to products and add this printer to my opportunity from the product catalog. The first thing I do is I select a price list. I select add product. I select existing product. I see my 3D printer there. Once I've selected that printer, I say save and close, and that printer is added as a product to this opportunity. Now I want to send a formal quote to George. If I click on quotes, all I need to do is say new quote, and it takes that 3D printer that I added to the opportunity, creates a quote with that printer as a quote line item. So here's the summary of my quote. If I go to quote lines, I see my 3D printer. I'm going to activate this quote to put it in a read-only mode. And then what I want to do is send a copy to George. So what I do is click on Word Templates here and say Print Quote for Customer. And this will automatically create a Word document that includes the quote. I can save this to my computer and send that Word document to George. Once George is ready to place an order for this particular printer, I can come back to my quote. I can select Create Order. This will set the status to 1, close my opportunity, place the order that will eventually invoice George for the printer. So this is has walked through all the steps in my sales process and concludes the demo.